Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child. Holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace. Sleep in heavenly peace. Silent night, holy night, shepherds quake at the sight, glories stream from heaven afar. Heavenly hosts singing Alleluia. Christ the Savior is born. Christ the Savior is born. Silent night, holy night, Son of God, love's pure light, radiant beams from thy holy face, with the dawn of redeeming grace. Jesus, Lord, at thy birth. Jesus, Lord, at thy birth.
Hey everyone, I am back with an update. I felt like sitting on the floor, so just don't mind me. I just felt like a different background. I need to create like a situation that I can like film at regularly in this room, but this room is really chocked full, and honestly most of it is taken up by this table, but you know, I don't know, we'll see what kind of things I can change up here soon. A lot of things actually will be changing soon, so maybe I might have some more space, we'll see. But in the meantime, do you guys see anything new on me? I made this the other day and it is so stinking cute. So I know I said I was going to be completing projects and I was like, I'm not going to work on anything else, but I just wanted, you know, when you're doing a lot of long-ended projects, sometimes you just want something that's like quick, that you can just whip up. So I decided to go ahead and make this bandana, which goes with this top, which is perfect because I was like, oh, I want something to wear that I can just be kind of cozy in, because if you saw the clip from earlier, it snowed this morning And I love snow. I don't know if it's because I'm a winter baby, but I love the snow. It's just so pretty. So waking up today, I didn't even know it was supposed to snow. I opened my son's blinds to wake him up in the morning. I do it every morning. I'm like, okay, rise and shine. I open up the blinds and it was snowing. And I was just like, oh my gosh, it's snowing. And he was so excited because, you know, we live in North Carolina and it didn't snow here last year. So it was kind of a bummer. Like we were waiting for the snow and it just never came. So this morning, as early as it is in December, and to wake up to seeing snow, it'll probably melt by tomorrow, but it doesn't matter because it's here. I saw it and it's so stinking pretty. So, but regardless, that's not the point of this video or anything. I just wanted to say that, like, I love the snow. But let me show you guys this guy here. So I just used the granny triangle pattern that I did a tutorial for it. You can check the link down below if you guys want to see that. But I just built out the granny triangle in this sort of pattern and with the colors that match this, and I thought it was so cute. And it was also just something really quick. Like I just needed something that I could finish quickly because everything I do is so long-winded. And so this was a nice little change up. I just kind of pulled my yarn out and I was just crocheting my little heart away for a few hours. And so this is so stinking cute. I absolutely, I love it. I love it. I know I say it all the time, I absolutely love it. I do. I love it. It's so cute. And this yarn is the True Blue yarn from Lion Brand. And so I actually have a video for this as well. So you can check out, if you want to know more about these colors, check out the link. Check out the, yeah, go back to my videos and scroll down until you see this shirt. And you can watch the video. Watch it for at least 2 minutes, okay? Give me at least 2 minutes, okay? At least 2. But watch the video, and while you're at it, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to look at the description, go ahead and look at the description to find out about more information about the yarn I use, the colors, and all of that. Y'all, I got something in my eye that is just like, I keep getting this little white haze. Ugh, I hate that. It's driving me crazy. It's a good thing I don't wear makeup because I'd be trashing it. I'm not the type of person that can wear, I touch my face too much. I can't wear makeup. I touch my face way too much. I don't know how to keep my hands away from my eyes. I'm like a toddler like that. I'm just always all over my face. I don't know why I'm like that, but it is what it is. So no makeup for me, okay? It's fine. It's fine. I'm okay. I've learned to live with my looks. And I don't mind them. So, yeah. Anyways, so yes, I made this the other day and it's so cute. So I didn't, like I said, I didn't use a pattern. I just kind of whipped it up real quick. So that's a little bit of my progress. In regards to that, let me go ahead and pop it back on because I put it on for a reason. But I used the bamboo yarn because I thought it would be softer and a little bit more gentler on my hair. I actually had a subscriber, when she commented and she was like, oh, you should make a bandana out of the extra yarn. And I think she was referring to the granny square cardigan, but I didn't have enough of the brown to do that because I ended up doing the bag, which you've seen recently if you watched other videos. But regardless of that, I do love this like this. I love the bamboo yarn because it's smoother yarn. It's a little bit more silky feeling, and I feel like it does a really good job in terms of not pulling and tugging on my hair because I want to protect my hair as much as possible. I haven't been taking very good care of my hair. I've been coloring it and other things, but I do want to protect the length as much as possible because I don't want to have to big chop again ever again in life. That was a one and done thing that I did back in 2014 that I don't ever want to do again. So I want my hair. I want to keep my hair. But anyway, so I did that. And then I also, so yeah, this I did. So a little bit of a sidetrack, but I think it was well worth it, and I definitely want to make another one. But then I also got sidetracked. My stomach is growling. I'm hungry, but I made a little something else. I made a little glove, and she's so cute. She needs a twin. I used this Karen Cakes, this stuff right here, and I just felt like making a set of gloves. I normally make myself a set of winter gloves or something like that, like every year, and I just didn't this year. So I needed another set of like fingerless gloves. Like last year was these were my fingerless gloves from last year. I'm sure you guys remember this from my Everything I Crocheted video. So these are so stinking cute. And also these as well. So I am a sucker for a fingerless glove, and my gloves always have to have the thumb. I cannot do, I like the way they look with the thumb. So I did make this one. It took a while to make because I didn't use a pattern, so I had to kind of make some adjustments along the way. But like I said, I like being creative, and I love projects like this because they're pretty quick. So I do still need to make the other glove, but it won't take that long, and I will kind of work that other glove in between everything else that I'm doing. But I got this done as well, so she just needs a twin. And then I did get a little bit further in one other project, and I'm sure you guys remember the what is this thing called right here? Knitting machine. This knitting machine sweater. So I have completely put the sweater together, all the panels. I think I do have like some ends and things inside of here that I need to weave in, and I'm starting on the cuffs. So I could leave them as is and just leave this sort of like crocheted kind of stitched hem on there and just leave it there, but I'm not going to. So I'm adding a cuff onto, oh. So yeah, I'm knitting the cuffs on here. So I'm not sure, because I've been playing around with it. I played around with it last night, trying to figure out the right gauge, because I want this cuff to be tight. And if you know anything about knitting machines, they knit really loose. So yeah, I've been working on that, trying to figure this little cuff out so that I can do the cuff. So I have both cuffs to do, but I have to figure this one out, and then I can do the same on this one. And then I just have to put the edging on the top, and of course it's going to be an off the shoulder. You know me, I'm off the shoulder girl. And then also the hem, and it's turning out really good. I can't wait to wear it, to try this out for you guys so that you guys can see how it looks. But I'm really excited about my progress in it. I did a lot of work yesterday, a whole lot of work yesterday, just getting this all stitched together. And now all I have to do, like I said, is the ends, and it's ready to go. So super happy about that. That's what I want to do, because now that I've done this and I'm looking at it, it looks so good and it's so cute, and it's like everything that I wanted, that I low-key want another one. I know. I want another one, and that's getting in the way of me getting these WIPs done, because I keep creating new things. But I'm just having fun, and I don't want to put too much pressure on myself, because honestly, it just is what it is. After this, I might get onto the cardigan. I'm not entirely sure, but we'll see. So I'm not gonna waste too much more time. Let's just get a little bit more done in these projects, and then I will pop back in, show you guys my progress, and we can just move on from there.
Always Christmas time. I feel sad I can't help it. Got you on my mind. I don't know how to call this. 'Cause it's Christmas time. Christmas time. And I need you, man, darling. Always Christmas time. I feel sad I can't help it. Got you on my mind. I don't know how to call this.